Are you looking for steps that are friendly for the family and off-roading? Then check out these from Go Rhino. The Dominator D6s are a part of Go Rhino's Dominator Extreme series, which is all about the modular approach plus vehicle-specific brackets. Once you have the specific brackets for your vehicle, you can use any of the Dominator style steps. The D6 side steps are a full-length 6-inch platform step. The wide, flat surface creates an easy access and stable step no matter the weather conditions. The surface of the step features Go Rhino's hex pattern, which offers an excellent grip. The full-length slider bottom, which is similar to the Dominator D1, keeps vehicle clearance for off-road adventures. The D6 side steps also add rocker panel protection from trail obstacles and road debris. They also feature an optional 4-inch matching drop-down step, which can be added or removed for maximum family-friendly and off-road use. You could even purchase a matching Dominator D6 hitch step separately for an overall cohesive look. The Go Rhino Dominator D6 running boards are backed by a 5-year warranty.